The content provided on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional, financial or accounting advice. इस चैनल पर फराहम करदा मवाद सिर्फ तालीमी और मालूमाती मकासद के लिए है और इससे पेशावराना मालियाती या अकाउंटिंग मशवरे के तौर पर नहीं समझा जाना चाहिए। Obligations. Obligations represent duties or responsibilities that an entity must fulfill, often resulting from past transactions or events. Types of obligations. Legal obligations, constructive obligations, present obligations. Legal obligations arise from laws, contracts, or formal agreements. For example, paying suppliers based on a contract, paying taxes as required by law. Constructive obligations arise from an entity's actions, behaviors, or established practices that lead others to expect certain responsibilities will be fulfilled. For example, providing refunds or warranties because a company has a policy or past practice of doing so. Present obligations are obligations that already exist at the balance sheet date due to past events and are expected to result in the outflow of resources. For example, outstanding invoices payable, deferred revenue where services, products are yet to be delivered. There are few other types of obligations which we will discuss now. Obligations. Statutory obligations, contingent obligations, financial and non-financial obligations, and operating obligations. Financial obligations, obligations related to financial liabilities that must be settled through the payment of cash or equivalents. interest payments on loans, lease payments under lease agreements. Non-financial obligations involving non-monetary actions or the delivery of goods or services. For example, delivering goods under a prepaid order, fulfilling service commitments in a contract. Contingent obligations, potential obligations that may arise depending on the outcome of future events not under the entity's full control. Legal claims where the entity might have to pay damages if the case is lost. Operating obligations, obligations related to normal business operations. For example, accounts payable for inventory purchases, accrued salaries and wages for employees. Statutory obligations mandated by government regulations or authorities. For example, compliance with environmental laws requiring cleanup costs, payment of pensions, contributions or social security taxes.